Hi guys, for today's video ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga breeding materials ng King Kyle Game Farm. Alright, dito guys, battery cage. Gumagamit kami ng battery cage para sa aming mga pure pullets. Ito naman yung mga broodstag and broodcocks namin. Dito meron kaming Relentless Gray, sweater white ng Red Game Farm, Golden Boy sweater of Red Game Farm, Raptor sweater of Red Game Farm, Duyet Lapido Dan Gray Roundhead, tsaka Relentless Gray of Duyet Lapido. Meron din kaming 5K sweater of Red Game Farm. Alright, meow 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 meow.